Hello YouTubers, today's Christmas Eve and I decided to make this video even though I'm dead tired right now because there isn't a video like this anywhere or a forum post in the entire world that I've been able to find. What this is how to use EC Wolf through ZDL launcher, and you're going to have all the high resolution textures, you're going to have custom maps and the best play experience possible. First of all, I would like to point out that the new Obsidian does have Wolfenstein 3D and Spear of Destiny support. You have to be on ID Tech 0 engine instead of ID Tech 1, and you can select these games. I'm going to go ahead and demo this really quick and show you just how easy it is because I'm going to need these files anyways in a few minutes. So I might as well get this over with. Now, when you make a WOD for Wolfenstein or Spear of Destiny, it doesn't give it a custom file name because it has to have the original game file names in order to operate correctly. So, all I'm going to do is click open on the correct folder. That's it, done. 6-episode Mega WOD made. Now I'm going to do Spear of Destiny. Since I'll be using these in a few minutes anyways. That's it. Although, this starts out as Transcendent, so I tweak these settings a little bit. So, these three settings right here are the only settings I changed, just so you know that. Just level size. Anyway, I went to the EC Wolf homepage because I wanted to know how to get it to work on Linux, and this is what I did. I clicked the download button, I went to these instructions here, and I followed these exactly to the letter, and it worked, except after I did the second line here, I entered sudo apt update, and then I did the third line. That was how I did it, and I think that's what you need to do. I'm not sure if you really need to update it or not. I've always done that every time I add a repository, though. In addition to the original Wolfenstein 3D files that I've had since 1992, I went to this page here. I was trying to find out who made my high resolution pack because everyone says to use CJ's enhancement mod. Well, I have a pack that has sprites and CJ's enhancement mod in it. Oh, I'm seeing the link now. It's right here. This is the pack that I've been using for years, and I was trying to find out where I got it. But then I found this web page, and on this page it says the guy made this pack. I was looking at this paragraph right here. I was planning to release it as a standalone package / mod, but after finding CJ's enhancements to improve Wolf 3D, I needed to have these textures played along with the high quality sprite sounds and weapons provided in the mod, thus making it the ultimate high resolution improvement ever. So this is the guy that made the pack that I'm using. I'll go ahead and throw this link in the description. I'd also like to just point out on a side note, a new version of Brutal Wolfenstein 3D just came out, 6.5, which has early Spear of Destiny early access. I already tried 6.0, which I have, and that one is absolutely amazing. I'm sure 6.5 is going to be even more amazing. This mod has been updated a lot, and this, I would say, is my #1 recommended way to play it. But, although this is awesome, I wanted to have the original Wolfenstein 3D and be able to play it anytime I want. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do. After following the instructions on the EC Wolf website, these are the files that you're given. ECWolf and ECWolf.pk3. ECWolf is the executable. Now, after you run this, you're going to have a config folder put right here. And I haven't run this yet, so I'm going to go ahead, drop to command line and run it. Okay, it's complaining because it can't find the base game data, but it just did this for me. It created this folder. So what I'm going to do I have a set of the original files right here. I'm going to select all these and deselect these two because I don't need either of those. Now I'm going to go to the config folder and I'm just going to paste them all right here. And this folder is also going to be used for the main config file. Now let's get this program set up and running through ZDL. Here's what I'm going to do. First I have to add ECWolf to the list of source ports. So I go to computer, I double click on /. Now I'm in the root folder. Double click op, double click ECWolf, and ECWolf with no extension. That's the file. That's it, that part's done. That's the easy part. Next, I'll show you a problem is you're always going to have an IWAD selected and you don't want to pass any kind of an IWAD onto the source port because this is wrong game data for the wrong game. So, obviously, anytime you load an IWAD into a source port, it's going to load all the files included in there. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go to my IWAD folder list, and because I'm in Linux, I'm going to open a terminal. I'm just going to do this. Touch dummy.txt. That creates a 0-byte dummy.txt file. So the alternative would be just to take a text editor and just edit the name of whatever file you want and don't put anything in it and click save. Now I'm going to take this dummy.txt and I'm going to go down to compress. It's already set to zip, so I'm going to type in the name of this file here. Okay, I'm just going to call it Wolf3D. Create. So essentially it's going to load a text file that has nothing in it, so it's not really going to load anything. Nothing that affects anything. I'm just going to delete this dummy.txt file now. And remember that this program doesn't really see zips, so you're going to want to rename this. At least not for the IWADs anyways. You're going to want to rename this to IPK3. Okay, because I want everything in alphabetical order because I'm anal or whatever. I'm just going to delete all my IWADs, click plus, go back up to the IWAD folder, and just select all these at once. Done. Okay, next I'm going to go to launch config. Okay, I've got my source port selected, which is ECWolf. I can select, oh yeah, right, wolf3d.ipk3 is the IWAD. Now when you load this, there's some changes you're going to want to make right away. You're going to get this launcher which lets you select just Wolfenstein 3D or Spear of Destiny. Just click OK. I'm just going to select Wolfenstein 3D for now. I've already taken the liberty of lowering the volume so I don't blow out your eardrums. But let me show you the first things I do. You're going to want to go full screen right away. Select your screen resolution. It's probably easier to just go up than down. Okay. Next, you're going to want to go to control setup because these controls are not good from the start. I would enable always run and definitely disable Y-axis. This is very important. We're going to change these controls over to GZ Doom. Now go down to customize controls. Forward W, backwards S, strafe left A, strafe right D, and use E. That's it. Now, I wanted you to see this in all its pixely glory. I want you to see exactly how everything looks and sounds. with the original resources. Just walk over to me. Okay, that's enough of it. We see that it works. Now we're going to try this with the extra goodies. Oh, that's where I've got it. Okay. Okay, now in addition to that, when you're trying to load in the game maps, you got to go down here to Files of Type, click the bottom box, and click All Files. You're going to highlight both of these, just Control or Shift click the bottom one and click Open. That's it. You want to load those in and also the HQ pack. So we're going to try both of these at the same time because I don't feel like messing with this forever, but I can definitely tell the difference now. Obsidian's been making these impossible maps though, so hopefully I can survive it all. Okay, or you can test it like this. Let's see, left shift, left alt, backspace, tab G, tab I. Cheater. Hoping I see a little variety in textures here. Is there no other parts of this? I'm gonna try another one really quick. Wait, that's not a secret. Okay, there's no doors anywhere in this one. Is this broken? Where'd that guy just come from? Oh. Oh, okay. Ah, you need a key probably. That's it? No other doors? Oh. I'm impressed with what this can do. I just haven't messed with it much, and I just tried this level for the first time ever, because you guys just saw me make it right in front of you. Wow. Okay, I actually made it through one floor. I'm proud of myself. I'm gonna stop here for now, but I'm gonna save really quick. I'm gonna show you your save files are stored right here. .local/share /ECWolf. Save games and screenshots. I'd like to try Spear of Destiny really quick, so I'm going to take these maps, I'm going to disable them. I went ahead and added some Spear of Destiny maps. You see they got the SOD extension. I'm going to keep the same HQ pack in there. It works for both Wolfenstein and Spear of Destiny. That's it. Just go to launch and select Spear of Destiny. Oh good, okay. I think I still have the same settings. Yep, okay, that works. Oh, statues are cool looking. You really gotta be faster than me if you want to survive Oh jeez, yeah, right. Couldn't do God mode fast enough, that's for sure. This one doesn't have episodes then? So I can't really show another episode or anything. Kill ratio 41%. Where was everybody? Okay, so that's how you do it. What you might want to do real quick is click on the ZDL button down at the bottom and click Save ZDL. type in whatever you want to, but I recommend using a relevant name. So then you can just switch back and forth in between your configs. Just trying to see if this worked. Alright, beautiful, it worked. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching this one. Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bow down before me, puny humans! Cower in fear as I blot out your sun!